Children, today we are going to do explanation of the lesson English text, a present for Jitu. Here we can see a postman comes to a house and he knocks on the door of Jitu's house. The postman asks, "Does Jitu Rao live here? I have a packet for him." Then Jitu comes out and says, "I am Jitu." The postman says, "Please sign here." Jitu writes his name. Then the postman gives him a packet. Now Jitu shows this packet to his father and asks, "What is in this packet, Dad?" Father says, "Maybe it's an elephant." But Jitu says, "No, it's too small to be an elephant." Mother comes in and says, "Maybe it's a football." Jitu's younger sister, Milu, sees him with the packet. Jitu says, "No, it's too long and thin to be a football." Then Milu says, "Maybe it's a pencil case." Jitu says, "No, it's too big to be a pencil case." At that time, Jitu's friend Kitu says, "Maybe it's a flute." Jitu says, "No, it's too heavy to be a flute." Then father only said, "Please open it and let's see what is in the parcel." Jitu opens the parcel and he sees a beautiful card and a nice cricket bat. Jitu says, "It's the best cricket bat in the world and my parents are the best parents in the world." Walking in the rain. In this lesson, there are two girls, Aruna and Mia. They both are coming home from school and suddenly it started raining. Aruna does not have an umbrella, but Mia has an umbrella. So Mia says, "Come under my umbrella, Aruna. I have a big umbrella." Aruna walks under Mia's umbrella. She is a little wet. Mia is a little wet too. But they both are happy. They see a puddle in front of them. They jump in it. The water splash around them. Mia's shoes are wet. "Look at my shoes," says Mia. "They are wet." Aruna says, "My shoes are also wet." They both giggle. They see another puddle. They jump into it. "Now my socks are wet too," says Aruna. Mia says, "My socks are wet too." Aruna and Mia both reach at Aruna's house. Aruna's mother sees them and she tells, "Aruna, did you jump in a puddle? Look at your shoes. They are wet. Take them off at once." Aruna says, "Ma, but my hair is dry because Mia shared her umbrella with me." Aruna's mother Mia says thank you to Mia and said, "Mia is a very kind girl." Now she tells to take off their shoes and socks too and wear slippers. Now she is going to bring warm milk for both of them. Thank you.